my name is Sarah Gomez, and I am the Director of Marketing for Mujin. And Mujin is an industrial automation company that specializes in palletizing and depalletizing for warehouses. The way that this software is designed, this Captello software, it was designed by somebody who has been working in marketing and trade shows for a very long time, because there are so many bells and whistles that I have dreamed about. And, you know, at every turn, it's been amazing, right? It's been a game changer for us in the automation industry. And I can't wait to explore more. In a time where the marketing team is just stressed out beyond belief, this was something that was exciting for us to use. And the whole sales and marketing team rallied around it. Like, wow, marketing team did a great job. Look at this app. It is beautiful. And the time-saving feature of voice notes, I mean, that in of itself, it just paid for it. In the past, business development managers do all of this meeting scheduling manually. So they take the Excel spreadsheet and they, put the calendar times and they put the days of the trade show, and then they start filling them in. And the problem with that is when you're doing it manually, nobody else is aware of the meetings that you're booking. And so you want a clear and efficient way to not only connect the prospect, but also to connect the salesperson and the business development manager and anybody else who needs to be involved in that meeting. With Captello, it was easy to do, and you could loop in, the solutions engineers that needed to be involved. You could loop in the salespeople and anybody else that needed to be involved in those specific meetings. All you have to do is add them, boom, 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 and then once the prospects who have scheduled a meeting enter the booth, you can scan their badge and it will notify everybody, okay, the people who are having the meeting are here. So you can quickly approach them, take them into the meeting room, and they don't have to wait around or look for the right people, ask for the right people, right? It's a pretty seamless process. So we appreciated that. The salespeople are working hard and they have to be a million places at once, but they'll get a notification on their phone that says your meeting is starting in 5 minutes. Please go to meeting room B, and there you go. It gets their attention and they execute. So the meeting app was particularly helpful in the way that we could account for what happened if there were any problems during those meetings. So we booked a lot of them. And of course, there were a couple that were no-shows. We can note that right away. If for some reason the salespeople didn't show up, we could capture that right away and say, hey, what happened? All of that was documented. So it was nice to see that there was documentation from those meetings that was built into the software, so that we didn't have to manually go back and say, okay, these were the kind of the problems we had. The problems, we could fix them right away, and we could see right after the day was over what had happened, so that we could take any further action that was needed.